show called Pete and the Mad Alaskan.
Hello, sir. Shake hands. Okay. So, where are you from?
Alaska.
All right. All right. Where were you born?
Alaska.
Where'd you get that hat?
Alaska.
How's about this fur?
Alaska.
Okay. Anything else you want to say, sir?
Put the camera over here. People who work from Alaska are idiots.
Okay. I'm Pete, and this is a madman from. Where'd you say you were from?
Alaska, you idiot.
Okay, folks. This is it.